Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing all things to declutter this kitchen. This is part 1 of my organization and decluttering series. Come and journey along with me as I try to get my life in order with all of this decluttering and organization within my home. As you see, we have things all over the place and have so many things. So I hope you enjoy this series and make sure you continue to watch. So as you see here, I'm just starting to move things to one central location so that I can really just look at everything to see what's expired, what's not expired, what I need to get rid of. Everything that I do have is very important, just to pull everything out and see what you have. So that's what I was doing here, because I tell you, things can get lost in all these places and cabinets. And you'd be surprised how many things you bought 8 times, okay? By now, I have cleaned off the entire countertop. So now I'm going to just move on to cabinets and start in there. As you see, it's a little rough time going on in there, okay? We on a struggle bus a little bit in there. So I'm just taking everything out and I'm going to move it to a central location, which is my dining room table, so that I can see everything and go through all of these items. As you see, I had a mountain of items that I had no idea about. Now I'm moving to under the kitchen sink. This is where I housed all of my shampoo, conditioner, and many of my different type of hair products for washing and conditioning hair. So as you see, all of these things I'm pulling out. I also did have some cleaning products under here, and different things like that. So we're definitely taking everything out to declutter, see what I have, so I can get rid of the things that I don't need anymore or that have aged, and keeping the things that I still want.
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. Got me thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinning for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails, like my life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in, I've been on to you, nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way, I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way. Ooh, you looking good, you got me going. I love it when you put that thing in motion. I got some things I wanna show you. Just let me in it, I bet I could have you floating. Pull up to the crib, blow up your spot, I'll make you miss it. Where you looky lost, I know you got them feeling sicko. Throwing up them bands, sit back and watch them Billies trickle. The way she do the vibes, it got me focused on that center. I hit it till you tense.
Now moving right along, we have now reached my kitchen cabinet where I keep all of my Tupperware, plates, bowls, pots, pans. This was like an all-in-one, literally an all-in-one cabinet. So we're taking these out to organize, get rid of some stuff, and be able to really see what I have and, declutter.
You drop it, make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way, I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it, make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid, solid. I'm with you all the way.
On to my next cabinet. So this one is where I kept a lot of my glass bowls and electric things like the electric Foreman grill and my blender and everything like that. So we're going through and just taking the stuff out so I can see what I have. I'm so short, can't get to the top of the cabinet, so there's probably a lot of stuff that I just stuck up there and totally forgot about. I did notice that as I was taking stuff down. So yeah, that's this cabinet. The last thing that I had to do was declutter this specific cabinet, and I had to do some of the drawers. Got those done very quickly, and my whole entire kitchen was decluttered. Now on my next video, you'll actually see me do a deep clean to my kitchen as you see here. So make sure you stay tuned for the next part of me actually decluttering, deep cleaning, and organizing my kitchen. See you on the next one.